Hi, my name is Megan Birch, and I am the marketing manager for Technica Ski Boots and Blizzard Skis. We've been working with Cascade Web Development for about the past 3 years, and we really rely on them to communicate to our different web outlets. We have a consumer website, we have a dealer website, and we also have a blog. And Cascade has been instrumental in really making us utilize each of these to the best of their abilities. Evergreen has been a huge asset to me as a marketing manager. Not having the web skills to write code and update our website that way, having a content management system that I can log on to and update easily is key for me. It's very user-friendly and it really enables me to make changes quickly, which not only makes me happy, but it also makes our customers happy.